Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to clear TikTok's downloads. If you've accumulated a lot of downloaded videos on TikTok and want to free up space on your device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Look for the Cache and Cellular section and tap on Free Up Space. Step 6. In the Downloads menu, tap on Clear to remove all the downloaded TikTok videos from your device. By following these steps, you can easily clear TikTok's downloads and free up valuable space on your device. This is especially useful if you have limited storage or want to declutter your TikTok library. Clearing TikTok's downloads not only helps optimize your device's storage, but also ensures a smoother TikTok experience by eliminating unnecessary files. Thank you for watching and enjoy a clutter-free TikTok experience.